start using your Adaptiv, you first have to make sure your radio is set to aux. If you then press and hold the media button, you will then be able to access the Adaptiv's main screen. One of the biggest aspects of the Adaptiv is the iGo Primo navigation system. When accessed, you will be able to calculate and choose fast, easy routes by either laying a marker on the map or entering either a zip or postcode. The navigation also includes green routing options, as well as stunning 3D visualizations, which will provide a rapid understanding of your next maneuver. By adding a DAB tuner to the Adaptiv, you will then be able to access a wide range of digital radio stations. All the stations that the DAB tuner finds can be seen here in alphabetical order. To utilise the HDMI input, simply attach a HDMI cable with a phone specific adapter to the Adaptiv's HDMI port. Once attached to your smartphone, the Adaptiv will then mirror image your phone's live feed onto the OEM screen, changing resolution when any media is being played. Going into the Adaptiv settings menu, you have the chance to adjust options regarding the media's input, the orientation of the navigation's sound output, the HDMI input compatibility, colour, the set language, and much more. Scrolling across the main dash, you can then access the USB menu. Once a USB is attached, you can then view movies and pictures as well as listen to music through your OEM radio, provided they are the correct file format. Finally, you are able to view current firmware on your Adaptiv by accessing the Info submenu, this indicating whether you need the newest update or not, as well as the option to change the audio levels on various features including the navigation.